Hello.
Hello.
1 car. 3 cats. 2 pens. 1 egg. 2 dogs. 3 bicycles.
5 newspapers. 5 books. 4 men. 4 boys. 6 girls. 6 apples.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 3, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6.
There is 1 child. There is 1 woman. There is 1 book. There is 1 egg. There is 1 fish. There is 1 cell phone.
There are 4 women. There are 3 books. There are 5 fish. There is 1 cell phone. There are 2 children. There are 6 eggs.
There is 1 bed. There are 2 cell phones.
There are 4 keys. There are 3 balls.
There is 1 cup. There are 4 chairs. There are 2 tables. There are 3 phones.
There is 1 ball. There are 3 chairs. There are 2 tables. There is 1 table.
How many fish are there? There are 3 fish. How many keys are there?
There are 4 keys.
How many police officers are there? There are 2 police officers. How many apples are there? There is 1 apple.
How many chairs are there? There are 6 chairs. How many phones are there? There are 5 phones. How many beds are there? There are 2 beds.
There are 6 cups. There are 4 cups. There are 5 eggs. There are 3 eggs. One flower is red. 2 apples are green. 3 plates are white. 4 bowls are blue.
How many tables are white? 2 tables are white. How many balls are red? 1 ball is red. How many bowls are yellow? 2 bowls are yellow. How many phones are black? 1 phone is black.
Shoes, shoes, shoes. Shoes. A shirt, a shirt. A shirt. Pants, pants.
A coat, a coat, a coat. A coat, a dress, a dress. A dress, a skirt. A skirt.
Shoes, a shirt, pants, a coat, a dress, a skirt.
A blue shirt. A red shirt. A green t-shirt. A yellow t-shirt.
How many cups do you have?
We have 4 cups.
How many sandwiches do you have?
We have 5 sandwiches.
How many bowls do you have?
I have 3 bowls.
How many plates do you have?
I have 2 plates.
I have yellow flowers.
You have red flowers. We have white flowers.
You have blue flowers.
The woman is wearing shoes. The girl is wearing a t-shirt. The boy is not wearing a t-shirt. The man is not wearing shoes.
The boy is wearing pants. 3 women are wearing pants. 1 woman is wearing a dress. The girl is not wearing pants. She is wearing a skirt. The men are wearing hats.
The woman is wearing pants. The woman is wearing a dress. The woman is wearing a hat. The woman is wearing a skirt.
He is buying 1 hat. She is buying 4 t-shirts. He is buying 3 t-shirts. She is buying 2 hats.
The man is buying a coat. The man is buying a hat. The man is buying a hat. The man is wearing a coat. The man is wearing a hat.
I am buying a skirt.
I am wearing a skirt.
I am buying pants.
I am wearing pants.
Who is eating? The police officer is eating. Who is reading? The students are reading. Who is drinking? The women are drinking. Who is writing? The girl is writing.
Who has the hat? The woman has the hat. Who has the ball? The boy has the ball. Who has the books? The girls have the books. Who has the newspaper? The doctor has the newspaper.
Who is wearing shoes? I am wearing shoes. Who is wearing a hat?
We are wearing hats.
Who is walking?
We are walking.
Who is running?
We are running.
How many trees are there? There are 3 trees. How many trees are there? There are 4 trees. How many bowls are there? There is 1 bowl. How many children are there? There are 6 children.
What is this? This is water. What is this? This is a plate.
What is this? This is a tree.
Is the grass green? Yes, the grass is green.
What is this? This is a bicycle. How many bicycles are there? There are 3 bicycles. Who has a bicycle? She has a bicycle. Does she have a bicycle? Yes.
What is this? This is a sandwich. How many sandwiches are there? There are 2 sandwiches.
Are you eating sandwiches?
Yes.
How many keys are there? There are 4 keys.
What are you doing?
We are writing.
Do you have fish?
Yes.
Is the horse black? No, the horse is not black.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Goodbye.